guys, welcome to my world, Shivangni's world. So today's video is a bit different as someone asked me about my skincare routine. So first I would like to tell you that I am not a person who is really into the deep skincare regime kind of person that who regularly do, because I'm a mother of two. I really don't get enough time to do the skincare for me, but I regularly do some sort of things which I thought of to share with you, as Antra asked me what is my secret behind the flawless skin. Yeah, so well, I thought of to make a video on this, so let's jump in the video. Thought of to divide this video into two sections, as the first section will be my daily skincare routine and second will be my the weekly skincare routine. So let's first start it with the daily skincare routine. So in my daily routine, what I do, I only simply use CTM process: cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So for cleansers, I use two products. Like if I use one in the morning, then I use another one in the evening. I don't know why, but I really like to use two products for my cleansers. The one is of this Plum. This is the Plum cleanser. This is gentle cleansing lotion, and it is really good. The signs of being good. If anybody knows about Plum, then Plum is a really good brand. I really like Plum, and this is for sensitive, dry, normal and combination skin. My skin is combination. Sometimes it behaves like a very dry, very dry skin, like desert dry, and sometimes it behaves like oily. I don't know, I had some pimples and breakouts, so it's a combination kind of skin. And another cleanser which I use is this one. This is liquid Neutrogena cleanser. This is a very mild facial cleansers, and it is of all skin types, of Neutrogena brand. This is really very good. These are the best cleansers which I use. I really love them. Both are really good. Another thing is toning. Toning your skin is really important, because in the whole day, like we used to go here and there, and if you're going out, then toning is a must. It really blocks your pores, and any kind of dirt does not enter into your skin. So toning is really very good. This is of the Face Shop Mango Seed Intense Moisture Hydration Intense Toner. If you apply it, trust me, you do not need any moisturizer even. Although it's important to apply moisturizer also, but it really works as a moisturizer too. So in that way also, I love this. This is of the Face Shop Mango Seed Toner. Okay, so these are the cleansers, toners. Now comes to the moisturizers. I usually have a habit of switching my skincare products from one to another brand. I don't know why I does this. I really bored of one product, so I switched to another one. Nowadays what I am using for my moisturizer is this. This is Olay Natural White Glowing Fairness Cream. It contains SPF 24. It is a day cream, and it is highly moisturized. It really moisturizes my skin. My skin is dry. If I apply it in the morning, it goes till night, trust me. And every mommy should know that if you apply once, you should not even got time to apply into the evening, or do your evening routine or your night care routine sometimes. So it's just enough for the whole day. So this is a really good moisturizer which nowadays I'm using. And okay, so this is my daily routine of like skincare, like cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Now comes to the weekly basis. What I do in weekly basis, if I got time on weekends or any day of the week. So I do one thing, I scrub or exfoliate my face with the scrub. I forgot to bring that, I'm really sorry. But and apply, I'm sorry, and apply a mask. Scrubbing and masking is my weekend routine. So this is the mask which I am nowadays using. This is of Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask 2X. This is really very good. It really cleanses your pores even and make your skin fresh and good and smooth and silky. So I really like that. This is of Innisfree. And if you ask me from where I do purchase all these brands, so I only purchase from Nykaa.com. So Nykaa is a really good website which I am using. So nowadays I am starting using facial oils which really like. I have a dry skin, so oils are very better for me. So this is the oil which I am using for my skin, is Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil. I don't know, it's been like a week which since I'm using this. I don't know whether it's affecting my skin or not, but when I apply it, the application is so smooth, and during I apply it, I really found it very very good. If you apply it, you do not need any moisturizer after applying this, but on the application of this, it says that after applying it, apply moisturizer. If you want, you can apply. Sometimes I skip, sometimes I apply. So this is, I love it. This is Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil, also from Nykaa. Okay, one thing which I do in the weekdays or on the weekends, whenever I got time, what I do, I simply cleanse my face from the cleansers and I massage with the oil, and the oil is the coconut oil. The oil which I'm using is this. This is organic, pure and sure ka organic extra virgin coconut oil. I really love this product. This is my second bottle and this is full now. So what I do, I just apply 4-5 drops onto my skin and gently massage into my skin in the upward and circular motions. And after that, I took a facial towel, dip it into the hot water in the sense it do not harm your skin, but it's still hotter than lukewarm water, and then simply dab it onto my face for 5 minutes until the towel become cold, and then simply rub it onto my skin to remove the excess oil from the skin. And yeah, that's it. If you do this, you really see the glow into your face, and also the texture of your skin become really very good. Also the skin does not dry at all. If you do this ritual into the night, then this is really very good. I recommend it into the night. Just do this ritual and sleep. Your skin will glow into the morning really very well. So this is all about my daily rituals, what I do for my skin nowadays. And if you want to know other things like what makeup I done, or another things which are baby related or kids related, then please let me know into the comment section below. I will be highly appreciated, really appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, good night.